What's the mindfulness mantra for our listeners?
So being one way to be mindful throughout the day, is create the right thoughts consciously in the morning. When you create the right thoughts, the waste thoughts will automatically start and you will become mindful in a very natural manner. You cannot sit and check your every thought throughout the day. It's like just eat right, health will automatically happen. So consciously create right thoughts. Also repeat them every hour. So I've experimented with this. Meditation in the morning, lot of change during the day. 1 minute every hour, magnitude of change goes much higher because you are repeating those higher thoughts every hour. The next 59 minutes, your number of waste thoughts will be less.
So it's like that compounded exponential growth.
So the power of 1 minute is...
Yeah. So, the mindful minute, what we do every hour.
Let's do it every hour.
Very powerful.
Everyone should do this. If you have a set of your affirmations, keep 4 or 5 short ones for this 1 minute. And you can record it personally for yourself, but ideal is to just take that 1 minute break and say those thoughts wherever you are, except for when you're driving. Anything we're doing, we take that 1 minute break.
Advice for someone starting out?
Starting mindfulness, to begin with few minutes in the morning first. You won't be able to be mindful during the day unless you've paid attention to your mind when there's nothing much going on around you, because taking care of the mind while you are doing something requires a little practice. So at least start looking at your mind when you're not doing anything. So start in the morning, and then eventually it will translate into you being aware even while you are in activity.
One misconception about mindfulness?
Many people feel this will make me more passive. I will not have that drive to be able to achieve my goals. It will make me contented, and so I will slow down. So people fear the word contentment. They feel contentment means I will no more have the drive. Contentment, if you experience it, it's an asset. It means you are perfectly spiritually, emotionally, mentally healthy, and now going out into the world to do. So I don't know why people fear contentment. They feel contentment means that I was going to stop doing anything. Contentment only means you're very rich here, and now you go out and radiate that.
One instance where mindfulness has had a transformative effect on someone's life?
Everyone, I had to listen to experiences every day. So, thoughts create our world. Sankalp se srishti banti hai. You start taking care of your thoughts, your world changes. So there are people whose depression is healed. There are people whose physical health issues, they are been able to heal. They were going through a crisis, but they were able to manage that health issue much better. Relationships get resolved. Doing everything. Your srishti is going to change. Your world is going to change because you went to the root. So anyone who starts taking care of the mind will experience change in every aspect of their life, because that is the foundation. What we were doing before that was we were not taking care of the foundation, we were taking care of the world. It's like this room, AC, lights, camera, everything. But there's a control room somewhere. Control room is not visible. No one knows where it is. It is one dingy corner taking care of this whole hotel. Our life, we just kept looking at the hotel. We never went to the control room. That's from where everything is happening. So that is the sankalp. Take care of thoughts. Everything in your life will start changing. Everyone starts experiencing change within a month. You will start seeing changes.
The last one, we live in an instant world, right? Everything everyone wants instantly. And we find people get into panic. People get into a mode of, discomfort and say, I want instant calm. So what can somebody do to get instant calm?
Perfect. Just have your 4 or 5 affirmative thoughts written with you, and you're experiencing that stress or anxiety. Just take it out. Even if you're not able to think of it, have it on your card, take it out and just keep saying it. Just keep saying it. I'm a powerful soul. I'm happy. I'm comfortable. Everything is perfect. My life. Just keep saying it, and say it from here, because you're not going to be able to do it there. Just keep saying it here. And while you're saying it, the other thoughts are just automatically filtering off, and you will deep breathe and say those thoughts.